The Ultimate Love Triangle, episode 2, Joseph Dare Love Show. So if you just saw on the last episode, they just left us on a cliffhanger. They were fighting and everything, but let's see what Joseph has for us.
With your person.
How do you feel about polyandry?
Probably entry band.
Ujima ngamanqapsi ufaka nekepisi endlini abakufundisa ngakini ukuthi awuthwale endlini.
By the end of this show, you can go home with
I won't lie, this is the best YouTube series on YouTube in South Africa right now. If you disagree with me, meet me in the car park, check. Meet me in the fucking car park if you disagree with me. This Joseph, I don't know what he did. He pulled the string. He said, ta, 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 ta. But let's see what this Zulu nigga has for us today.
The only way for you to find the 20K is with love. So guys, thank you for coming. Hope you guys gonna get the vibes like I said before. But now I want you guys to choose the rooms as couples. But if you don't have a couple, don't choose a room. But if you have a couple, go choose a room right now.
Bro is tapping there tonight. Dang, that's circumference. That's circumference. Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah. That Zulu nigga is too freaky.
He's having yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure I get some rest.
Aibo. Oh, check that. Oh no, the Zulu guy is getting it. Oh no, the Zulu guy is getting it. The Zulu guy is getting it, chat. Chat, his zip is down, chat.
No, my daughter.
No, he was visiting me.
It's alright,
So let's keep ourselves in here.
Chat. She has a BBL, chat. She has to have a BBL, chat. Like, there's no way that shit is that huge. No way that shit is that huge.
After connecting, I disconnect the connection. So that means when they're connecting, I have to come because the next challenge is to disconnect them.
Yeah, no, whatever Joseph said is basically what we're doing. The next game is called Stay or Swap. Each contestant heads into the red room, which is very red. Shout out to production. They take a piece of paper and write down their choice. Stay with their partner or swap. Once they've made their decision, they drop it in the box and leave. Later, all the votes will be pulled out in front of everyone, and that's when we finally get to see what each person chose. Hectic.
So now this video is already pictured. We are 3 minutes 22 seconds in. I'm sorry for pausing, but this video is so big, dog. One of the coaches in South Africa, they said let's combine and make something crazy. Domisho and Joseph. Domisho is there in the background and shit, but chat, do y'all nigga think this Zulu guy is gonna switch? I think he's gonna switch because that bounder, that nyash, that circumference, that jelly patata.
What I'm gonna do right now, right? You guys manage to swap or switch or stay with your partner, right? When I read your name, you're about to change your person. You're about to change your person. Sibonelo, ngiyahlala naye. Hayi, sifakela hlale naye.
Oh, now my sister said, Ash. She doesn't want you.
Ntantla, who's Ntantla? I wanna stay. Hey, away, my brother. You can stay with her there. Stay with her there. Bongumusa Khumalo. Nah, but this doesn't.
Why? They're making it seem like this Zulu nigga is dumb. He might be dumb, but let's give him a chance, though.
Look like we're handwriting. How to swap? How to swap? Nkolisi, ngiyaswapa.
They did this guy a favor, now we swap him.
Angiswapi. Oh, Tangi. Oh, away, my brother. Away. Lusanda. Ha. At not swapping.
Chat, you go to love your person. That's the thing. You go to love your person. That's the thing, chat. Love is
Ivan, Ivana. Swap. No, tukuthi akathembeki. Okuhle. Swap.
Oh, he lost him. No, he lost the. Oh, he lost the circumference. The bunda de nya. Oh, Bengakhala dog. Look, he's looking at it for the last time, Chad. He's looking at it for the last time. Oh, look at that nigga's happy.
Mpo, swap. Yeah.
Confidently so.
Alinda. Swap. TK. Swap.
Why is everyone swapping?
Bongozi swap. Mufukeng swap.
So wait, Chad. The Sotho nigga might get a chance. He might get a What? Nigga, take this nigga out. What is, oh no. Oh no, niggas just be doing things, Chad.
Okay.
You saw
So
what
now
did,
what
Chad?
I'm gonna do is, if I come to you, you tell us why you swap. You stand up and tell us why did you swap, why did you stay. So tell us why you guys stayed and swap. Yes.
Okay,
No, hold the mic, mama.
ndithi nxa ndijonga zikhona izinto mna naye siyakhabana kuzo sibambana incamncam yabo ndithi ngondiyibambile uyaphuncuka engathi isepe esemanzini so in English ngizothina nabanza izama uyibeka kanjani kodwa nje we don't have like izinto ezininzi in common.
They don't have a connection. What she's saying, Chachi? They don't have a connection. They don't have like they don't have similar personalities and things they want, chat. And like that's why she feels like this nigga is sleeping away from her, cause they're not the same.
Monde mna naye uyabo otherwise uright yena ungumntu oright unenhliziyo enhle andifuna uxoka shem.
Okay, amnike sizwena ukuthi wayangekho happy nawe. Oh, uthe awuswapi.
Lutho ngiswipe mina.
Sit down. How do you feel? Hey.
Ngiphatheke kabuhlungu wona. Kodwa phela noma kubaba kuyaphuzeka.
Oh, no more baba gapuza. But it's no longer your person, eh? You can stand, my sister, eh? I'm fucking. Stand up, guys. Stand up, guys. Karli suile bena mumufugi.
Ai. Re etse ntho di be bonolo.
Why you swap, man?
She's too bossy and arrogant.
She's too bossy and arrogant.
Yeah.
Hey, why are you swapping? He says you are too bossy and arrogant.
Inkinga, we are both short, ne? And you know, ukuthi abantu abashort, they are very short-tempered. He's always angry. Like umaskhuluma, a normal conversation, uyashouta. Hey,
Kele shole.
Ilishole,
Kele next two.
aliyemashole ngre.
So let's change it.
Changed.
Okay.
With immediate effect.
Why did you guys swap? Why did you swap?
To be honest, uka uyangibhora.
Oh.
Yeah, uyangibhora shem.
How do you feel about that answer?
Bona ukutshela ivara zami mina bengenzela yena nje angithi abaza abafazi mababhayisa kanjani bese ngenzela yena ukusabo ngisathi
Cap, this nigga's lying. He's lying. You were not doing it for her, bro Chacho. You lost the bag. You lost the nyash. You lost the bag. You lost the jelly tot. Nigga, you lost that, nigga. Don't care. Oh, nah, niggas really be capping, chat. What? Nah, this nigga's a fucking liar, chat. Nah, he's a liar. So this nigga saying he will like just. So this nigga is just saying he was guying her a favor, chat. So he didn't want that big nyash, that big bone, that big circumference. Yeah, he's lying.
kanjani hayi
They even laughing at him.
Oh, okay. Mare, wena kana ona muthu. Stand up, guys. Why did you guys swap? Both of them swap, eh?
I don't think there's much to say here. You are the one that chose for us.
Oh, it's because of I chose it for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I say my part?
Yeah.
I swapped because I feel like the guy is not like there like at all, so I don't want to like force things about. So yeah.
You feel like it's not there for you?
Yeah, like nje, like people were getting glasses.
What the feel, ne? What the feel?
You are the one.
Our parafila, our pirol and parents.
You are the one that chose for us.
Okay. But that means you don't feel her, ne? Okay,
Not my
fine. Yeah.
I'll call the ladies first.
So I decided to swap because one, wapapa. I can't emphasize this enough. A man needs to be soft-spoken. Ekasere ole monna bo rasa more than everybody in this house. Wapapa. And another thing, he's too pushy. Like he wants to jump steps and like, yeah, he just doesn't know. Yeah, like he's very pushy. He's very pushy. He's very touchy. He doesn't listen. Like you'd say no, and he wouldn't understand what no means. And the last thing is that
he wants to hit.
Sad. He can't keep his underpants still, and I just can't. I just can't.
Noma ngamzango uthini ngesilungu. Kodwa ke mfowethu into engenza ukuthi ngibhala uswap lapha. Hayi intokazi iyazazi kakhulu mfowethu.
As I should.
Hayibo. There's something wrong with this nigga, chat. What do you mean she knows herself too much? So she mustn't know herself, chat. Before getting into a relationship with someone else, you must know yourself and know what, okay, oh, I like these things. Okay, I'm gonna put barriers when it comes to this topic and this and that. This nigga's crazy, chat. Nigga talking about mechanical engineering.
Yabo. Intokazi iyazazi kakhulu. Mangithi iyazazi uyafonela wayitshela yabo. So noma ngiyazama ayimfana ukho connection. Asiyona lento le.
Because of it, she didn't want to.
No, mfethu mina ngiyajabulisa ngedwa mfethu khuleka. Mina ngidinga intombazane awuthule wesisi. Ngidinga intombazane mina mfethu esizoclicka nayo. Mina ekhanda angiphilile ngiyayihlanyela. Ngidinga ukuthi manje she serious noma siyakhuluma empetheni baby ngicela ungihug. No, it's like mfethu angeka mfethu ayikho lento connection mfethu ngiyangikhona mfethu angangikhona mfethu.
I said no.
So, Let's clap hands for the ones that stayed. At the end of the day, right now we have one couple that stayed. The ones that didn't, that swapped and then Baukshile, stand up. I want you guys to go to your next person. So when you found your next person in this like 2 minutes, you wanna move past the camera and go to the room and then take the bags from the room that you put your bags and go to that person's room.
Wait, this Zolo nigga got a baddest bitch. Now look at that. Ooh. But yeah, Chad, if I had a choice, I could choose her. I think I would choose her, Chad.
So, you saying you are moving with this?
Yes, please.
Okay. This one? Oh.
Oh.
Hey.
Redemption. Oh. Chad, John Cena said, never give up. John Cena said, never give up, Chad.
Let's go. Hey, let's go. Hey, but what's happening here? Hey. Let's go, couple. No shapalto.
Nah, Chad,
The next session.
he deserves it. Because of this fit and the science he was doing, Chad. He just deserves it.
Limona to shapalto on that.
Whatever.
I hope like I wish no shapalto. Limona to shapalto on that. So limon.
Yeah.
Ulahlile msadi, re go tsela, ba batla msadi mfukeng. A ona nto o bolela. Ah. Grille kgetha wa kgetha, o te kgethetse. A o nyake motho.
Ai.
Wa bona?
O tla bonala.
Bogei bo thoma bjana.
He's not getting that 20K. He is not getting it. He's not getting it. He's not getting it. He's not getting it. Chad is not getting the 20K.
Ma, ha ke di rate di gay, ha ke di rate. Never ka tswa ke di rate. Why gay lesbians? I am sorry. I would rather kiss a toilet seat.
Ima khasi ke sandle sesam. Number 1. Thula ndimocela ixesha. Indlela le omjonge ngayo ngokuncumile uthe nqeka amazinyo amhlophe ngaphandle. You have never smiled at me like that. The way ombambe ngakhona okhozi naye. It shows ba kudala umfuna, kudala umbawela qha ndimlobu ndenza isihlama. Ima, diyeza kuwe wena. No, I'm not saying. No, wait, I'm coming to you. I want to start with him. Yeva? Diyeza kuwe wena nondoroti. Wena ngoba uhleli nampha. Ndichilo kuwe ndathi which means is sunlight le mna ndihlamba ngayo. Doesn't smell good for you. Sisi, shut the fuck up. Wena msunu wakho ima.
Hi, bro, Chad, why is she fighting? She is fighting because this nigga's in love. Chad, you said swap also. You said you people don't connect. So dog, let the nigga get some better food. Just joking, not food. Let him get a better girlfriend, Chad. Let the guy get a better girlfriend, Chad. Cause why this nigga Xhosa's Chad are crash outs. Xhosa's they are crash outs, Chad.
Ngagqiba ukuthetha nawe. No, yima. No, andimfuni qha funeka ube used ekulahlweni mnqundu. Xa ulahliwe lahleka. Uyawuncengwa ngunyoko ayindimi. Sunu wakho.
Emthini wenza insizwa. We can, like, guys, help me find mfuke muthu. Because I want the muthu.
He doesn't deserve it.
Yeah, Brian, I go with this. I got to send that again. I want to sense introspection. So we agree. Don't know about what I'll have. Nampile breaking and what
I see is between this nigga and that maid, there's gonna be a language barrier. It's like this nigga only speaks Tswana and Zulu.
Again, Napap. I get Skoko again, Napap.
umuntu right phansi like if ngiyamcomparisha kunabanye abantu nanyedlela abantu babantu ababehave ngayo ubonile ukuthi shithi mina like nginelakhi like ubonile nabantu ukuthi basayiphila wonke umuntu usayiphile but kusale thina soyi2
esibese ikhaphula ukudala engakaze ihlukane siye sakhethana that means uthando siye salithola yabo.
When we swapped partners and chose our new partners, like I was very happy because vele bengimfuna uguy and the guy also wanted me.
She's a bob. She is a straight bob like no chat. Everyone is running through her chat. You know chat that there's always that one lady in your street where they say, yeah, that one. All of us are quoting them. We're not dating her and shit, but we all wanna go there and say stuff. She's that one, chat. She's that one. I don't care if you get offended, but I'm just telling you.
Yeah, ngiswipe mfowethu lo partner wakudala ngoba ayimpethe hayi ngizokutshela iqiniso uphethe ayiphethe ayikabi uyabora kodwa ayingeke.
So the guy that I initially wanted is, I didn't get his name, but he's like buffish, he's tanned, like he's very, like not very dark, but like darkish in complexion, and he has a beard.
We swapped the partners. I got my preferred partner, my now preferred partner.
He wouldn't even be compatible even outside of the house. Like he would never like just meet me like halfway, you know. I was just like, no, let me swap for someone who actually can acknowledge my feelings.
Musahlule ukuthi udlule ekhichini ubeke iplate lakho bese uza kumina kodwa kunalokho udlula ikhishi uza neplate lakho kumina.
Mina bengithi ngumuntu indlela engafundiswa ngayo ukuthi umuntu wesifazane yena angeke ngize ngigeze izitsha ukhona.
Exactly.
No. So what they're saying is this nigga left the kitchen and fight to her with the dishes so that she can wash the dishes. Nigga, you already in the kitchen, dog. That shit won't even take you 10 minutes.
What I'm saying, you were supposed to wash your plates, but you can't pass the kitchen and come to me with your plates. Utshela ukuthi mina ngisukuma ngiye kitchen ngiyokubekela iplate lakho. Okusho ukuthi kahle kahle you being abusive to me.
Yonke lento ngeplate.
Namantombazane la uhamba nawo. Angeke ngenxa ukuthi mina nginezathu zami zokuthi ngayigqoka ibikini namhlanje wabona umfazi oyiyelo phone ugqoka ibikini sokwazi ukukhetha yena uyeke mina
bengithi
kade ubukisa ngami ngicula labantu babili la ngithulele kade ngithule
ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso
iqiniso lani
ngiyakuthanda kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye cha ikhona inhlansi ngayo enhlizweni yakho
hambe kuyeke phela ngiyekele
cha angithi ngizokhulumisana nawe
njengomuntu yazi I'm trying to change by all means ngiyazama ukuthi ngishintshe for the better ukuthi ngibe umuntu right I'm here to find love kodwa wena wenzani ufuna ukuzobukisa ngami ufuna ukungishintsha ngibe yilo muntu engasafuna ukuba uyena
ngenzeni into engenzeni
ngikwazi ukushiya partner wami because of you ngithi phela ngoba nakho ngcono
his breath is not good.
We don't take those shots. I humbly tell you as the coach, chat. I'm experienced at this job. I'm saying, chat. We don't take this shots.
Yes, I'm trying to change by all means. Ngiyazama ukuthi ngishintshe for the better ukuthi ngibe umuntu right. I'm here to find love. Kodwa wena wenzani? Ufuna ukuzobukisa ngami, ufuna ukungishintsha ngibe yilo muntu engasafuna ukuba uyena.
Ngenzeni into engenzeni?
Ngikwazi ukushiya partner wami because of you. Ngithi phela ngoba nakho ngcono.
We don't take those, chat. Chat, we don't take those shots. This Zulu nigga is not, dog.
His breath is not good. I'm sorry to say that, but not in the bad way, but his breath is not good at all.
Ngithanda ukuthi unjani?
Hlala lapha, ngiyabuya manje.
Avuma nyanyisa shame uyanyanyisa. Uyanyanyisa.
Awu kahle sithandwa senhliziyo. Kunento engisayifuna ukuyilungisa. Yebo khona intokazi abathi ulusanda mfowethu. Ngiyabuya qhawe lami ngifuna nje kancane qhawe kunento futhi ngiyacela mfowethu kunento nje ebengithi
This nigga can't be serious, chat. No.
Cela mfowethu kancane hayi ngenhlonipho mfowethu ngiyacela.
I think futhi ngine crush.
Ngiyacela mfowethu. Uyaphila ntokazi. Ngiyaphila la ngiyaxolisa ukukuphazamisa ngiyabona ukusebhizi. Ukuthi hayi ngeke sesayini. Lokho kufikele la inhliziyo yami kuwe.
Uqondeni kanti mfethu?
Cha, hayi.
This nigga has to be Chat, that nigga has to be cliff farming, chat. That nigga has to be cliff farming.
Besikhuluma lalelani bafowethu.
Awumanelisi mhlawumbe la.
Cha ngisacela ukukhuluma iqiniso kini. Eyakithi inhliziyo kulentokazi. Sengikhuluma iqiniso. Hayi kabi bafowethu, hayi kabi. Nami ngiyasha ngaphakathi ngishiswa uthando lalentokazi. Ngiyacela bafowethu, ngicela ningiphe ithuba ngimuze ukuthi uthini.
Ngingenawo ngisho 50k mina.
Angoyisi.
Man, now.
Chat, this nigga doesn't even have a job, chat. Sometimes if you got it, chat. This nigga doesn't have a job, he doesn't know how to speak English. I don't know, it's that Zulu ass, chat. I'm telling y'all niggas. I'm not being a feel hey mama. We have to go to it now. Cars and shit like.
Ngimlwele umuntu ongenawo ngisho 50,000 ebank.
Ukukhohlwa ngabanye abantu ngoba kade ubiza ngesana sakho la manje.
Aku.
Baby.
Kulungile. Ngicela ukubuye sikhulume mama. Ungixolele mfowethu. Mama ngizokhuluma iqiniso. Okuhle yabona uright masotshontshana hayi kabi bafowethu. Masotshontshana emasayidini. Yabona kodwa le ntokazi ulusanda hayi. Cha mfowethu hayi. Bafowethu hayi ngizimpela.
That's what I said, chat. That's what I said. Okuhle is the one for.
Angumfo wakho manje ngizoyinikela kuyena cha ngoba impela cha eyakithi inhliziyo uyitshontshile yazi bengakaze ngize ngizizwe ukuthi nyoke ngizizwe ngalendlela ngomuntu esifazana mama ukuthanda
yini
again
kodwa masokhuluma iqiniso asiyeke lento mfowethu ngeke phela
Ngixolisa
sithandwa ngixolisa
wenzani
angazi noma ungiloyile
yini kwamele lokho ngibekezelana awufuna ukubukisa ngami ebantwini iyabheda nje
angazi
but this nigga is actually forcing
why kwamele ngikubekezelele ubukisa
angazi noma ngiloyiwe yini noma ngithakathile
yini lo yenzayo
ngiyaxolisa
yabo mfethu
hayi mina ngidla umuthi wakamanyoni yazi kamanyoni
ngikuphi lapho
enyukazela
angihlangani naleyo nto musu ngitshela
lalela mama kodwa ngithanda ngaphandle kokuthini ngikuthanda
He really has it like that, chat. No. This mode he's using, chat, is different. This nigga, ra.
Noma ngithakathile.
yini lo yenzayo
Ngiyaxolisa.
yini lo yabo mfethu
hayi mina ngidla umuthi wakamanyoni yazi kamanyoni
ngikuphi lapho
enyukazela
angihlangani naleyo nto musu ngitshela
lalela mama kodwa ngithanda ngaphandle kokuthini ngikuthanda ngikuthanda sizokhuluma hlala la ungendawo sithanda senhliziyo
This is
Thanda ungathethi kakhulu my love
ungenza isilimo ayingamthandi inkinga
uthi hamba
is this nigga fighting for this nigga so this nigga is fighting for this lady while he has a lady, and this nigga, I think this nigga is going to her, and this nigga is gonna get her, and this nigga, this nigga must be single, chat. He's a man. This nigga's a man.
Hawu, cha phela yami inhliziyo mfethu ngiyakuthanda kanti kuphi inhliziyo? Hawu, uyangiphazamisa nje. Hawu. Hawu ngiyakuthanda msana. Cha, hayi mfethu ngicela singanaki izinto. Ya ngiza ngiyake inhliziyo yami ithanda.
Imagine. What a downgrade. What a downgrade, Jago.
Angiyayithanda lento kazi. Ayikho into engizoyenza nami inhliziyo yami kuyona ngenze njani? Inhliziyo yami kuyona lento ngenze njani?
From it GT6 to we hand the I10 Gege from it GT6 to hand the I10 unganya
ayikho into soyenza
Ayikho into
Mnikeni
esayenza,
chance
usulokhu
mina
ungilandela
ngiyeke
nomsuku.
ntombi.
Fusak, usulokhu
Mnikeni
ungilandela
chance.
umfuni wethu. Fusak.
Ngeke.
Aibo, now this nigga scared. Nigga, face your battles, nigga, face your battles. You are a bitch. You are a bitch, though. No, dog, this nigga's such a man, as
Usulokhu
Joe.
ungilandela. Usulokhu ungilandela manje. Usulokhu ungilandela. Ayikho into engizoyenza. Intombi ngiyithandile, ngiyithande ngifika la. Ngifuna uthando. Yami inhliziyo ihlukumezeke kakhulu, ngenze njani? Usuke ungilandela wena nje. Usulokhu ungilandela phela. Iyakuthanda yini yona? Iyakuthanda yini? Iyakuhlonipha yini wendunu? Iyakuhlonipha yini? Ngiyakuthanda. Ayikho into engizoyenza. Ngifuna ukuba umakoti wakithi. Wena seNewcastle nawe wena.
And you know, Chad, I'm also from Newcastle, and I don't know Newcastle niggas be like this also, Chad. I don't, this nigga's not from Newcastle, Chad. We're taking him out. From now on, we're taking him out, because there's no way, though. This nigga's taking a fucking piss. We are stelela.
Wena seNewcastle nawe wena. Umakoti wakithi. Ungangiyeki ngibambe. Ungisondeze duze.
This nigga can't be serious, Chad.
Pakime madlebeni ya. Ngitshela ukuthi uyangithanda. Ungangiyeki ngibambe. Ungisondeze duze.
No.
Khuluma kimi madlebeni yami. Ngitshela ukuthi uyangithanda. Wesidudle simnyama ngiyifuna intombi yakho. Ayikho into engizoyenza mina. Ayikho. Inhliziyo yami ikule ngane mfowethu.
Yeah, siswele phela.
Hawu, angithi phela ngidinga ukukhuluma nawe. Manje mangathola ithuba lokukhuluma nawe ngivinjwe idudla ezimnyama ngenze njani mina? Mina nawe seNewcastle ungabizi lo muntu ngesifebe. Ungabizi lo muntu ngesifebe.
Aibo, ufuna ukushawa. This nigga.
Ngabizi lo muntu ngesifebe wena. Ngambizi ngesifebe ngenze njani? Cha ngicela ngikhathi ngenze njani?
Chat, this nigga's not the main character, chat. Look at these couples, they are free, they don't have any stress. Look at these people, they're also now. And also that nigga was doing the Hitler what he's also buying food.
Kwayibuzela ubhunu wathi enze njani? Musukusondela kimi. Ukusondela kimi ba. Ngenze njani? Ngiyamthanda mfowethu. Ngiyamthanda ukhethwe inhliziyo, uyayazi inhliziyo nawe ayiphakela mfowethu. Ukhethwe inhliziyo umakoti wakithi lo ngubonisa bakithi abangasekho. Ngenze njani?
Uyamthanda na? Uyamthanda yebo noma cha? Uyamthanda na ngoba nangu phela usaduze kwakho ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi uyamthanda yini? Uyamthanda yebo noma cha?
Ngize ngizofuna uthando lapha ba.
Uyamthanda yebo noma cha? Ngenzela ukuthi wazi.
Waye kwamele bamlwele kanti Chomi? Waye kwamele bamlwele?
Hayi mama kodwa ngeke.
Ngobani? What a downgrade from a GD6 to
Oh no. So wait, they saying this nigga's downgraded.
Please lengane ngepikando wena nsha. Ayibizi lengane
ngeke
ngepikando.
ngimlwele mina ngeke angilwisani nemoto ezincane
Awukahle msuthu, kahle fuseke msuthu. Kahle msuthu. Samsokhuluma nje. Fuseke msuthu ndini msunu. Ungenza isilimo. Angifuni ukuthembisa izulu nomhlaba ngoba izulu angilazi kanti umhlaba ubolile. Umhlaba unezinto zawo nawe uyawazi. Bengicela ungiphe ithuba empilweni yakho mama. Ngixolisa mama.
Hayibo.
Ngixolisa. Ngiyaqolisa. Ngithanda ntozi.
manje bese ngiyenzile
Sathi sidudla. Hayi, nomzana. Nomzana ngicela ukuthi ungiphe ithuba ngizoyibuyisa intombi yakho mfowethu.
Singazukungenza nabantu tata. Ufuna ukuphila impilo nomuntu othula abizi inhlamba ngayo ngendlela. Tshela balekela mina sona sami.
Why is this nigga also fighting?
Musukusondela kimi. Musukusondela kimi etala. Ukhuza lohlanya lakho langilandela manje. Langilandela lalela mfowethu. Lalela sikhuluma kwamadoda. Khula.
So these niggas are living the for
ingane uyabona ukuthi anandaba nawe khula phela.
Bese kahle la ukhuluma ngalendlela ukhuluma hayi ngiyeke.
Hayi baba sidubla.
Guys mina angisafuna ukukhuluma ngalento.
Landa insizwa zangakini nami ngilanda insizwa zangakithi ayikho into esizoyenza mfowethu. Nami lo ukhethwe inhliziyo yami makoti wakithi nami lo. Nami ngizamela ikithi mfowethu ungixolela ukuthi
dog you say this nigga you don't got a job. First of all, this nigga doesn't have a job.
Ngihlakula insimbi vele usihlakulile. Ungixolele mfowethu umandla nami ngizamela ikithi. Asambe uyizwile inkulumo.
No like ngenzela ukuthi lento le isoveke.
Kuphela nje into omele uyazi sidudle simnyama. Kuphela into omele
Good guys always finish last.
Yeah, this dudla.
Asahambe nawe nxa. Hawu.
Sadala. Xolisa mama. Wedala.
Cause manje uzobe
Mane
usubuyela
ngicela
ekhaya.
sikusale sesiqede le nkulumo mama. Ngicela ngifithi ukubheka. Ngiyacela.
Bro, can't believe it. This nigga's going to feel crazy. This nigga's going crazy.
I don't know. He's just.
There's something I've been longing to tell you.
Excuse me, umthela kame.
It's okay. Since we interested, can we have some drink later? How long?
So are you taking me like as a second option? Because initially you didn't choose me. You chose to be with someone else. So now because that didn't go well, you're now deciding that you want me all of a sudden.
Wow.
Then what's happening?
Okay, I'll be honest. I didn't choose her. Systematically, I didn't choose it, and then we exited time when I was supposed to pass her out.
So was the conversation that interesting? And
Hypo. Also, this nigga, Gents. Jeez. The only gents who are not fighting is that buff one and the other buff one.
Whoa!
Ew, yeah, no.
Hey, whoa, guys, calm down. Calm down.
Hypo.
Down. Whoa.
Hypo.
Whoa, calm down.
I picked him because he's not something that I'd initially go for. So I decided to go for him because me choosing my type has never worked for me anyways.
Calm down.
People act differently around different crowds, so we just have to tolerate each other.
Longo.
Wait.
This nigga's like this, Gandhi chat. I didn't know he was like
Oya
that.
guy, let's talk. We're not gonna be able to have a conversation if you're screaming. Ah man, shut up.
What is this nigga doing, bro? The game is over, chat, for you. The game is over for this nigga. They took his speech. Though.
Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Don't leave. Let's speak. Let's talk.
I'm okay. Can you please leave me?
Let's talk.
This nigga does even that t-shirt. This nigga doesn't get this. So Joseph Darwin knew who he was doing though. Like no one here is like compatible, chat. It's a few, but most of them not, chat. Cause also these people are also fighting. And this nigga, so he wants to lose 20k, chat.
Let's talk. I think you're here to find love. Wait.
Crazy. This Zulu nigga is going crazy, chat. I don't know. So it's like how many people right now don't have maids, dog? It's like 3 people don't have girls right now. But W Joseph, that video is always. Oh man, this is crazy. Crazy. Let's see the comments, chat. Must they comment again, chat? This show deserves. Should be on Netflix if you like it. This is more entertaining than the Zulu dude in the white. Nah. Zulu guy is a menace. Nope, dog. What am I doing? Okay, Zulu guy is a menace, and the tall guy. What? Doesn't he want 20? Chat, game is long gone, chat. That's all I'm gonna say.